Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching these landslide videos on July 26th. These are happened in Austria due to heavy rains in Austria. Stubai Valley undergoes landslide. Due to this landslide, look at that how the vehicles are swept in this landslide water. I mean flood water. Wow, this is a very scary moment. Look at that, rocks are also flowing in that flood water. Not only vehicle, rocks also. One of the connecting bridge is also swept away in these floods. Look at that. This one is another landslide in Tyrol in Austria on July 26th, 2022. Due to heavy rains in this area, these are happened. No injuries are reported. This one from India on July 25th, 2022, Kulu district. People are shouting to other people, to alerting the other people. This video from Afghanistan. Here also small landslide, including flood water sweeping the houses. On 25th July 2022, this one is also happened on that same day. Nature is very angry. This one from Himachal Pradesh in India, Kochi bridge. Just people are escaped by this bridge. Then after landslide is happened. And 2nd August 2022 from India. This one from Russia. Look at that mud floor. This one will happen on 6th August in this area. some of the nearest highway. Let's go.
Oh, здесь был мост.
This one from Italy. Here also, due to heavy rains, these floods and landslides are happened. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.